Morning students, class 8 chapter number 4 exercise 4.2 practical geometry. In the previous video we have completed exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2 up to question number 1, and in the previous videos we have already studied about how can we draw perpendicular bisector, how can we draw angle with the help of compass, use of set square, use of divider, and everything basic of construction also. Now we start exercise 4.2 first question second part. In the second part we have to draw a quadrilateral GOLD in which some measurements are given. So firstly, with the help of measurement we have to draw a rough figure, and after this we consider that how can we construct a quadrilateral GOLD. Okay students, so we have to draw a rough figure with the help of given measurement in which GOLD is a quadrilateral. OL 7.5 centimeter, GL 6 centimeter, GD 6 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, and OD 10 centimeter. Then how can we construct this quadrilateral GOLD? So we have to construct this quadrilateral. ओके स्टूडेंट, वी ऑब्जर्व दैट इट्स सेकेंड पार्ट इज द सेम लाइक फर्स्ट पार्ट जो कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में करा था. सेम अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट पार्ट मेजरमेंट्स आर गिवन, बस मेजरमेंट का डिफरेंस है, अदरवाइज बिल्कुल सेम कंस्ट्रक्शन है. सो इट्स सेकेंड पार्ट ट्राई योर सेल्फ लाइक फर्स्ट पार्ट. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ GD LD 5 सेंटीमीटर, फिर 7.5 डिस्टेंस लेके कंपास से आर्क लगाएंगे, फिर पुट द कंपास एट D 6 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क, देन पॉइंट O ज्वाइन दिस टू दिस, एंड आफ्टर दिस सेम कंस्ट्रक्शन. सो सेकेंड पार्ट ट्राई सेल्फ, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Okay student, now we discuss its third part. In the third part we have to draw a rhombus BEND in which BN equal to 5.6 centimeter and D equal to 6.5 centimeter. So firstly we have to draw a rough figure with the help of given measurement, and after this we construct rhombus BND with the help of rough figure. Okay students, so we have to draw a rough figure with the help of given measurement. We have to draw a rhombus BEND in which BN equal to 5 centimeter, BN which is the diagonal of a rhombus BEND, and D equal to 6.5 centimeter which is another diagonal of rhombus BEND. So how can we construct this rhombus with the help of rough figure? Okay student, now we have to draw rhombus BND with the help of given measurement. सबसे पहले a special property of rhombus based on the diagonal. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. तो हम इस प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करेंगे एंड वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रोम्बस BND. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ डायगोनल BN 5.6 सेंटीमीटर. इट्स मीन, तो फर्स्टली वी मार्क टू एंड पॉइंट्स, वन एट 0 and second at 5.6, and join these two endpoints. So it is the line segment BN whose measurement is 5.6 centimeter. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BN. In the previous video we discussed about how can we draw perpendicular bisector. So just repeat again. Firstly put the compass at N and take in distance more than half of BN, and draw two arcs, one above BN and another below BN. Now taking same distance, put the compass at B, draw two arcs which cut the previous arc at 2 points. Now we join these 2 points. It is the intersecting point of both diagonals. Suppose it is a point O. Now we have to construct a 6.5 centimeter which is its half above BN and half below BN. तो हाफ ऑफ 6.5, अगर हम 6.5 का हाफ करते हैं द वैल्यू वी ऑब्टेन इज 3.25. तो how can we take measurement 3.25 in a compass? So to simplify the problem, we have to draw a line segment 6.5 centimeter just near and we draw perpendicular bisector of 6.5 with the help of compass, taking distance more than half, one arc above and one arc below. Put the compass and cut these two arcs and we join these 2 points. So this value is half of 6.5, so we can take distance half of 6.5 in the compass. It is half of 6.5. Put the compass at O, draw an arc above BN and another below BN which cut perpendicular at 2 points. It is a point D and it is a point E. Complete measurement is 6.5 centimeter. And now we have to join B to E, E to N, N to D and B to D. So we can say that B, E and D is a required rhombus. अब इसी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि पहले 6.5 ना 5.6 ना ड्रॉ करके पहले 6.5 ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, तो आपको ये वर्किंग नहीं करनी पड़ेगी एक्स्ट्रा. तो वी जस्ट दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन, हाउ कैन बी ड्रॉ इन अनदर मेथड इन विच वी ड्रॉ 6.5 एंड देन इट्स परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड पार्ट we discuss again. तो firstly we draw a line segment 6.5 centimeter. So we have to mark two endpoint, one at 0 and another at 6.5 and join these two endpoint. So it is a line segment 6.5 centimeter which is DE. Now we have to construct its perpendicular bisector. Put the compass at E and taking distance more than half, one arc above DE and another arc below DE. Put the compass at D, draw two arcs which cut the previous arc at 2 points and we join these 2 points which is perpendicular bisector of DE. Suppose the point O. Now we have to draw 5.6 centimeter and we know that half of 5.6 is 2.8 centimeter. So we take distance 2.8 centimeter in the compass and put the compass at O, one arc above DE and one arc below DE which cut perpendicular bisector at B and N. So BN is 5.6 centimeter. Now finally join B to E, E to N, D to N and B to D. So finally we can say that BEND is a required rhombus. So I sure the question is clear in two methods. You can try any method, it's your choice. In the next video we continue chapter number 4, it's mean exercise 4.3. Thank you very much.